Good day, mates. So you're thinking you'd really like to leave your day job and start working for yourself, but you just don't know what kind of business to get into. Hi, I'm Mike Marichal, and I can help you with that. I've got some proven ideas that can make that happen without costing a lot of money, so let's get into it. For some of us, the idea of quitting our day job to start our own business is exciting and exhilarating. For others, it's terrifying. After all, a job that produces a steady paycheck can feel pretty safe and hard to give up. Going out on your own, you're going to have to leave your comfort zone. But from my experience, it's well worth it. In a time when businesses have very little loyalty to their employees, the term job security doesn't mean what it once did. Creating your own source of income that you control doesn't just make sense. In my opinion, it's a required strategy in this gotta-have-a-gimmick world. A great way to do this is starting an online business. It's one of the more affordable options, and you can do it from home. All you really need is a desk, a fairly new computer, good internet, and a business idea you believe in. I know you want to stop me right there. An idea you believe in? Come on, Michael. I don't have any business ideas that I'm willing to invest my time or what limited money I do have into an unknown adventure. That's crazy. Well, in the beginning it can seem that way, but that's not what we're here to talk about, is it? You know you want to leave your job and get out on your own. So you need to hear about some of these proven ideas I mentioned earlier that could get you started on your way without costing a lot of money. But before we leave the notion that you don't have any ideas of your own, let me ask you a few questions that just might change your mind. So please, grab a pen and paper and write down your answers. You might just surprise yourself. First, what do you already pay for? We all pay people to do a lot of different things, and by asking this question, you open up a lot of good business possibilities. To name a few: clean your home, cut your lawn, wash your car, train you at the gym, cook you dinner, train your pet, tax preparation, bookkeeping, laundry. The list goes on. These are all doable. Second question: what skills do you have? What do you know and know well? Skills you're great at. People would pay you to teach them. How about a foreign language? Translating. Are you good at software like Excel or Photoshop? I'm not going to mention online gaming. But how about cooking? Tennis. I love tennis. I love to eat too, but tennis is my real passion. How about guitar or piano? Any hobby you love. These are really good ideas. Don't discount them. Next question. What do your friends say you're good at? I really like this one. Not only can it be an ego booster, but it's incredibly revealing. Do they tell you you cook the best meals? Maybe they ask about fitness advice and your gym routines. Has anyone ever complimented you on how great your apartment looks or how well you dress? All these things can be turned into a successful business. Okay, last question. And this is a cool one. What do you do on Saturday morning? When you're trying to find a business idea, think about what you do on Saturday morning before everyone else is awake. Are you browsing fashion websites, fitness subreddits? What YouTube channels are you watching? Here's an out-of-the-box way of looking at it. If you were stuck on an elevator with somebody you don't know, what would you talk about? Think about that one for a minute or two. I'll bet after doing this drill, you've got a list of a few things that you'd like to do. Told you you'd be surprised. Now, keep that list around, and let's talk about some of those time-tested, proven ways I've been promising so you can make some money online. And they might just integrate very nicely with some of your own ideas that's on that list. First up is writing, be it freelance, blogging, info products. The list is pretty long. Writers are really needed. If you can string words together, there are a host of income options available to you. Starting an online business using words is one of the quickest and most affordable ways to make money online. You don't need much equipment and you can start right now. Businesses need help and are happy to pay for articles, reports, emails, ad copy, sales letters, website content. They need to keep visitors on their websites. Good copy does that. Business owners, they don't have time to do this type of work, but they need it really bad. You can find these jobs on freelance and writing websites like Upwork.com, Freelancer.com, or Fiverr.com. These are great places to start, get some experience, and then move up from there. Start your own blog. It's a great way to turn your words into income. The fun part of blogging is you can choose any topic you want, of course, as long as it's something other people want to read about. But here's where that list comes in. It's where you can turn your hobby, your passion, your success story into a blog. Tell people how you paid off your debt, your student loans, or you lost those last 10 pounds. The key to a successful blog is writing magnetic and entertaining content that generates traffic to your site. Finally, you can create information products, usually called info products, including ebooks, manuals, training courses, and a lot more. You can sell these from your own website or create them for other business owners. In the case of books, you can self-publish and distribute through Amazon or other online retailers. Okay, Mike, I can't write. I don't like to write. Well then, there are other things to do online. Become a social media consultant or manager. Are you social media savvy? Do you engage regularly? Do you enjoy your time interacting on Facebook or Instagram? Being good at social media has less to do with mastering the platforms and way more to do with using them to have meaningful conversations and create real-life connections with people that you want to know and want to create relationships with. Social media has such a huge impact on businesses these days. Large corporations and business firms can easily hire a full-time staff coordinator or corresponding agency to run their Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram accounts, but smaller companies usually have to manage their own social media and marketing. But because they have a lot on their plate, they are just too dang busy to develop or maintain their social media activities. That's where you come in. As an outside consultant, you can do that for them. You'll steer them in the right direction concerning tactics. You'll implement schedules and post their content aimed at their target audiences. As their business grows, so does yours. And, remember, you can do this from home. Here's another business you can start. Become a virtual assistant. Long gone are the days when an assistant needed a desk right outside the boss's office. Every business owner still needs help running their day-to-day admin tasks, but don't want or need a full-time in-house employee to do it. I'm not sure where I heard this, but it's a fact. If you don't have an executive assistant, then you are an executive assistant. Point being is the business owner's time should be spent on creating value for the customers, not on admin tasks that can be checklisted out to a virtual assistant. Time-consuming activities like travel arrangements, paying bills, managing emails, editing articles and websites, managing appointments, data research, etc., etc. If you're organized, this gig is for you. Companies like TaskRabbit and Zirtual make it easy for VAs to find jobs. They allow you to create an online profile, sign up for tasks you want to complete, and begin building a clientele. Next, open an online storefront, often called e-commerce. With solutions such as Shopify and WooCommerce, it has never been easier to start your own online store for such a low investment. And thanks to methods such as drop shipping, you don't even have to worry about things like delivery or warehousing. Another route to take is, you guessed it, Amazon. You may not have noticed it, but the last time you purchased something on Amazon, there's a really good chance that you actually didn't buy it from Amazon, but from a third-party seller who was using a service called Amazon FBA. The FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon. How it works is, you as the third-party seller selects and buys the products, ships them to Amazon FBA, who then looks after the seller's stock. When the customer places an order, it bypasses the seller altogether and goes straight to the Amazon FBA warehouse, who picks out the order and delivers it to the customer. Amazon handles all the payment processing and customer service. Yes, they get a fee for providing these services, but in my opinion, they are very reasonable when you consider the time and costs saved by you, the third-party seller. To the customer, there's almost no difference between purchasing from Amazon directly or from a person like you selling their items through Amazon FBA. They get the same delivery options, the same return policy, and the same customer service team. I saved my favorite till last, affiliate marketing. This online strategy is a fantastic way to make money online. Affiliate marketing is the process of earning a commission by promoting another company's products or services. You find a product, promote it to others, you earn a commission. In other words, when you help another company generate sales, you get a cut. The best part is that you don't have to create your own products because someone else has already done that hard work. I've made another video that goes deeper into the benefits of affiliate marketing, so if you're interested, look below and you'll find a link to that video. If you want to learn even more about affiliate marketing, I've also listed a link to some free training from a mentor of mine called How to Start Your Own Profitable Internet Business that can make you $3,000 to $5,000 per month in less than 90 days. So there you go. There are many other methods of making money online, but I know from experience that these 5 are proven and time-tested as successful. I will warn you, though, none of them are quick rich schemes. You will have to work at them, but your work will pay off. As the saying goes, you can't talk the talk if you ain't walking the walk. It's up to you to take action. I'd love to answer any questions you have, so do use the comment section below. And please, if you liked what you heard here, click the subscribe button and hit the bell so you'll be notified when I add more training. Aloha, my friends.